Okay, welcome back. So here's the exercise. So we're gonna do it 5 times. So to do the exercise, keep your back straight, your body nice and relaxed, your feet shoulder width separated, yeah? Toes pointing forward and just natural position, relaxed. You know, bring the hands to the side, hanging nice and relaxed, and then slowly bring the hands up. Shoulder height or higher, and then push the palms down slowly, really slowly and relaxed. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the exercise. Those are the mechanics. Basically involves moving the hands, the palm of the hands up and then slowly down. Yeah? Back straight, feet, shoulder width separated. And ideally, do this exercise barefoot. Okay, cool, we're doing very well. See you in a few minutes.